With a quarter of Italy's population in quarantine, economic and social life is grinding to a halt this morning. They're testing more here and finding that the virus is more widespread than expected. This was the scene at Milan's main train station as the government announced this weekend it was sealing off several of its industrialized northern and central provinces. No one wanted to miss the last trains out. Public gatherings, including funerals, are now discouraged or outright banned. Museums closed. Some church services conducted in the open air. To limit the crowds in St. Peter's Square, the Pope delivered his Sunday Angelus online, only appearing briefly in his window at the Vatican. Prisoners, afraid they're trapped in with the coronavirus, rioted in one city. In South Korea, another hotspot, people are lining up to buy face masks. Now rationed, they're only available to buy at set times and places. In China, some potentially encouraging news. The country says the rate of new infections is going down. State TV reporting 11 of the 14 makeshift hospitals built in Wuhan, where the virus began, have been closed. Many patients are recovering and being discharged.
And Richard, we talk a lot about Italy. Obviously, China's been impacted. What other countries are really facing a coronavirus problem?
Well, obviously, Iran is a major problem, South Korea facing a significant problem, and the economic impact is now starting to be felt all around the world. European stock markets this morning were tanking as countries and governments and investors start to worry that Italy and the extraordinary measures that it is taking could be what is coming for other nations as they start to implement these blanket closures, blanket restrictions.